Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. A student, today I shall revise to you exercise 3D to find a square root by prime factorization method. So find a square root by prime factorization method. Question number 4 is written on this board. Find the a square root of 1296. Prime factorization method. First of all, find prime factors of 1296. 1296. So 2 times 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 1 8 16 and 2 8 are 16. Now 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4 and 2 4 are 8. Again 2 times 2 1 are 2, 1 2 12, 2 6 are 12 and 2 2 are 4. Now 2 times 2 8 are 16 and 2 1 are 2. Again 3 times 3 2 are 6, 3 7 are 21. Now 3 times 9 3 are 27, 3 3 are 9. So prime factors right here 1296 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 and 3 1 2 3 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3. Make a pair 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. In next step 2 into 2, 2 a square, 2 into 2, 2 a square, 3 into 3, 3 a square, and 3 into 3, 3 a square, equal to a square root of 2 a square equal to 2. We know that a square root of x a square equal to x. So a square root of 2 a square, 2, a square root of 2 a square, 2, a square root of 3 a square, 3, a square root of 3 a square, 3. So multiply it. 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. 36 will be the answer of this question. This is the prime factorization method to find a square root of any number. Write it. Next question is question number 9. Find a square root by prime factorization method. Under root 9216. First of all, we find a prime factors of 9216. 9216. 9216. 2 times 2 4 are 8, 1 2 12, 2 6 are 12 and 1 6, so 0, 2 8 are 16. Again 2 times 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 0 and 2 4 are 8. Now 2 times 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10 and 2 2 are 4. 2 times 2 5 are 10, 2 7 are 14, 1 to 12, so 2 6 are 12. Again 2 times 2 2 are 4, 1 7 70, 2 8 are 18, sorry, 2 8 are 16, 1 6 16, 2 8 are 16. Now 2 times 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8 and 2 4 are 8. 2 times 2 7 are 14 and 2 2 are 4. 2 times 36 2 are 2 times 18 2 ja 2 times 9, again 3, 3 3 ja 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 2 and 2 3. So equal to 2 into 2, 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and last 3 into 3. Make a pair, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, last 3 into 3. So square root 2 into 2, 2 a square, 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 and 2 into 2, 2 a square, and last 3 into 3, 3 a square. A square root of 2 a square, 2, a square root of 2 a square, 2, a square root of 2 a square, 2, and a square root of 2 a square, 2, a square root of 2 a square, 2, a square root of 3 a square is 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 32 3 is 96 answer. Write it. Students, next question is question number 13. Find the smallest number by which 252 must be multiplied to get 252 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. If next type question must be divided also. So both type questions have same answers. Solve this question. The PF of 215. The PF is the abbreviation of prime factors. The prime factors of 252. The prime factors of 252. Here find 252. Prime factors of 252 is 2 times 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, and 2 6 is 12. 2 times 2 6 is 12, and 2 3 is 6. Again 3 times 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. Next 3 times 3 7 is 21. So write it 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 2 into 2 in pair, 2 into 2 in pair. Write again 2 a square, 3 a square, 7. 7 is not in pair. 7 is not in pair. To make 7 in pair, multiply by once again 7. So required number is 7. The required number 7, one answer. And prime factors of new square number. So a square root of 252 multiply 7 equal to 2 a square, 3 a square into 7 is also in pair. So 7 a square. The square root of 2 a square is 2. The square root of 3 a square is 3. The square root of 7 a square is 7 equal to 2 3 is 6 and 6 7 is 42. Answer. Write it. Next question is question number 15. 1225 plants are to be planted. 1225 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and number of plants. Here, number of rows and number of plants both are same. So let the required number be x row and each row x plants. So according to question, total number of plants equal to 1225. 1225. Now here that implies total number of plants x row and each row x plant. So x into x 1225. That implies x square equal to 1225. That means x equal to under root 1225 equal to find here prime factor 6. So 1225. 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 5, 10. So 5 times. 5 to the 10. 2 and 2, 22. 5 for the 20. 2 and 5, 25. 5, 5 the 25. Again 5 times. 5 for the 20. 4, 5, 9. 5, 9 the 45. 7, 7 the 49. So prime factors is 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 equal to x equal to here also x equal to under root 5 square into 7 square. 5 square means 5 and 7 square means 7. 5 7 ja 35 answer. So 30 rows, 35 rows and 35 plants in each row. Answer. Write it. Students, next question is find the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers 8, 12, 15 and 20. So find LCM of 8, 12, 15 and 20. Right here 8, 12, 15, 20. Find LCM. 2 times 2 4 are 8, 2 6 are 12, 15 is not divisible by 2 and 10 to the 20. Again 2 times 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 15 is not divisible by 2 and 2 5 are 10. Now 3 only 1, 3 times 2, 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15 and 5. Now 5 times 2, 1, 1, 1. 5 1 are 5. So LCM equal to 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Once 2 again. Into 2. Into 3. Into 5. Now here the required a square number. The required a square number equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 the required a square number right here equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. LCM is here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 2 in pair and 2 into 3 into 5 is not in pair. So it is multiplied by once again 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 2. Now 2 to the 4, to the 8, 8 and 2 to the 4, to the 8, 8 3 the 24, 24 10 the 240, 240 into 15, 3600, 240 into 15, multiply it, 0, 120, now 0, 4 and 2, 0, 0, 6, 3. So 3600 answer. Students, today your homework is revise exercise 3D. Students, today your homework is revise exercise 3D. Thank you. That's all.